Next day, Gina, the G, met A-O-U, and it was very grumpy, and it started making the G, G, G sound, like gate, goat, and gum. But there are exceptions where gentle Gina doesn't follow the rules. And for those words, like the word girl, it breaks the rule and makes the grumpy sound instead the gentle sound. So these are the two sounds of G. The gentle sound, which is the soft sound, J, and the hard sound or the grumpy sound, G. After telling the story, practice 10 J sounding words and 10 G sounding words, and also do a worksheet with 50 words. This will help your children. Follow us for more videos and tips like this.